Are you tired of scrolling through endless opportunities, wondering which path will actually lead to financial freedom? The truth about how to make money online isn't what most gurus tell you. The digital economy has transformed completely. Some doors have closed forever, while new opportunities have emerged that most people haven't even noticed. This isn't just another video promising overnight riches. This is about finding legitimate, sustainable ways to make money online that match your skills and goals. I've researched the latest trends, tested the methods myself, and compiled everything you need to know about how to make money online. Stay until the end for my #1 strategy that's working right now. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into how to make money online, the legitimate, sustainable ways that are actually working right now. The digital landscape has evolved dramatically since last year. AI tools have revolutionized productivity, social commerce has exploded, and new platforms are creating opportunities that didn't exist even 6 months ago. Whether you're looking to replace your full-time income or just earn some extra cash on the side, learning how to make money online is more accessible than ever before. But it requires the right strategy and up-to-date information. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to make money online, methods that are working right now, not outdated tactics from years ago. The biggest challenge when figuring out how to make money online is cutting through the noise. There's so much misleading information out there. Some gurus promote get-rich-quick schemes that simply don't deliver. Others share methods that worked years ago but are completely ineffective today. And let's be honest, many people jump from opportunity to opportunity without giving any method enough time to succeed. Another huge problem is information overload. There are literally hundreds of ways to make money online, but trying to pursue all of them simultaneously is a recipe for failure. The key is finding the right method that aligns with your skills, interests, and time commitment. And then there's the technology barrier. As tools advance, especially AI, many worry they'll be left behind, but I'm going to show you how these new technologies can actually help you make money online faster than ever before. Let's explore the top ways to make money online, starting with methods that can generate income quickly, then moving to those with higher long-term potential. 1. AI-enhanced freelancing. Freelancing remains one of the fastest ways to make money online, but the landscape has changed dramatically. The key is leveraging AI tools to multiply your productivity. For writers, designers, developers, and virtual assistants, AI can help you complete tasks in a fraction of the time. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and specialized marketplaces like TopTal are seeing record demand. The key to success with freelancing today is specialization. Rather than being a general writer, become an expert in AI prompt engineering. Instead of basic graphic design, focus on AI-assisted animation. This specialization allows you to charge premium rates while using AI tools to work more efficiently. Many freelancers are now making money online by completing in 1 hour what used to take an entire day. This efficiency is the game changer for how to make money online through freelancing. 1. Digital product creation. Creating and selling digital products is an incredibly scalable way to make money online. In 2025, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. You can create ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, or software tools. What's changed dramatically is how quickly you can produce these assets using AI tools and no-code platforms. For example, you can now outline, draft, and polish an ebook in days rather than months. You can create professional quality course materials without advanced design skills. And you can build functional apps and tools without knowing how to code. The most successful digital product creators are focusing on very specific niches with passionate audiences. General products struggle to stand out in this crowded marketplace. 1. Content monetization. Content creation remains a powerful way to make money online, but the strategies for success have evolved considerably. YouTube ad revenue, while still significant, is just one piece of the puzzle. Creator funds on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts have grown substantially, but the real money is in diversification. The creators making serious money online are building multi-platform presences, focusing on high-engagement shorts and long-form content, leveraging AI for content ideation and editing, using subscription models like Patreon and YouTube memberships, creating exclusive communities on platforms like Discord or Circle. The key shift is the rise of micro-communities. smaller, highly engaged audiences that generate more revenue than massive but passive followings. 1. Automated e-commerce. E-commerce continues to evolve as a reliable way to make money online. Dropshipping isn't dead, but it has transformed. The most successful e-commerce entrepreneurs are using AI for product research and trend identification, focusing on social commerce, especially TikTok Shop and Instagram Shop, leveraging print on demand for custom products, building highly automated systems that require minimal management using subscription models to generate recurring revenue. The dramatic shift is that successful e-commerce no longer requires massive inventories or complicated logistics. Automation tools have made it possible to run a profitable store with just a few hours of work per week. 1. AI service businesses. One of the fastest growing ways to make money online is by offering AI-based services to businesses. This includes AI prompt engineering for specific industries, setting up and training custom AI assistants, creating AI-powered workflows and automations, developing AI content strategies. The beauty of this approach is that you don't need deep technical expertise. You just need to understand how to effectively use AI tools and apply them to business problems. Many entrepreneurs are now making $5,000, $10,000 per month by helping small businesses implement AI solutions that save them time and money. Now let me share what I consider the most effective strategy for how to make money online: AI-powered lead generation for local businesses. This approach combines several elements we've discussed, but with a critical twist that makes it incredibly effective right now. Here's how it works. Choose a specific local business niche: dentists, plumbers, lawyers, etc. Use AI tools to create highly targeted landing pages and ads. Set up automated lead capture systems. Sell these leads to local businesses on a pay-per-lead basis. Why is this so powerful for making money online? Local businesses are increasingly competing online but lack expertise. AI tools allow you to create highly effective marketing materials quickly. You can automate 80% of the process. Local businesses will pay $25, $200 per qualified lead. You can scale across multiple cities and niches. I've seen people start with zero experience and generate $10,000 plus monthly within 90 days using this approach. The key is focusing on high-value niches where a single customer is worth thousands to the business. This method works because you're solving a real problem for local businesses, while leveraging technology to create a semi-passive income stream. It's the perfect synthesis of what works in the digital landscape. Let's recap the most effective ways to make money online. AI-enhanced freelancing. Leverage AI tools to multiply your productivity. Digital product creation. Create products faster than ever using AI and no-code tools. Content monetization. Build engaged micro-communities across platforms. Automated e-commerce. Focus on social commerce and automation. AI service businesses. Help companies implement AI solutions. Local lead generation. My top recommendation for sustainable online income. The common thread across all these methods is the strategic use of new technology to solve real problems. The people who are most successfully making money online aren't chasing shiny objects. They're building systems that deliver genuine value. Remember that learning how to make money online isn't about finding a magic button. It's about choosing the right method for your skills and situation, then executing consistently. Focus on one approach, give it time to work, and optimize as you go. The digital economy will continue evolving, but the fundamentals of providing value and solving problems will always remain constant in determining how to make money online successfully. If you found this guide on how to make money online helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical strategies. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling me which of these methods you're most interested in trying. I read every comment and use your feedback to create future videos. For those serious about making money online, comment MMO and hit that notification bell. So when we drop a new video, you are among the first to know. I don't want you to miss out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.